Wake up, get up, stretch my legs, eat some breakfast, milk and eggs, brush my teeth up, wash my face, throw my clothes on, start my day.
What's going on, guys? It's been quite a minute, but we're back. We're out here in the Keys today. We're gonna do some bridge fishing. Hopefully we could get on some nice fish today. If not, this is gonna be like my freaking first video back. You know, it's gonna break the ice again a little bit. You know, I have no idea what the hell I'm saying right now, but anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video today. So I just got out here to the pier, and apparently I had a fish on the entire time. I didn't even know. What the fuck is this? Little parrotfish looking thing? Is that a parrotfish? That's a pretty ass fish. Slimy as all hell. Jesus Christ. All right, skunk is out, so let's see what we could catch on. Huh?
I'm sorry, I didn't see that, Bob.
It's all right. He's still on here. Oh man, he got the wrong rod. Yeah. Oh no, he's off. Damn. Yeah.
What do you think it was?
Probably a tarpon. There was a tarpon going back and forth here. Oh my god. I needed him to hit the other rod.
What do you have on?
I got live pilchards. Live pilchards. Oh man. I had a feeling he was gonna hit the rod. The smallest rod I have. It's okay. God, well, finally get a hit and I get cut off. Actually, it's not the tarpon. I think it might have been a cuda. Oh man, well, there's a big tarpon out here. Dude hit the smallest freaking rod in my arsenal. Good times. So the one good thing about fishing this time of year with shrimp, wow, that was the most horrid example, is that there's some pretty decent sized shrimp, and of course I can't pick out the big ass shrimp that I've been. So yeah, there's some pretty big shrimp this time of year. I had some bigger ones earlier. I should have probably filmed those, but there's some pretty good sized shrimp this time of year. And you know, fish, oh my god, this is probably the smallest one. This is the tiniest one in here. But yeah, that's a plus fishing this time of year. We're on again, but it's probably another reef fish. Oh my god, it's the cutest little yellowtail. Jesus Christ. It's a fish tank size yellowtail. So colorful. All right, catching absolutely nothing. Finally got something on, boys. It's not fighting much, so it's probably small. Oh my god, another adorable yellowtail. Jesus Christ. He did get a tiny bit bigger. At this rate, we might catch a legal one. Real prosperous. Bro, that was a big ass shrimp too. Dude, I swear, man. Today's just not the day. Live pilchards, no go. Big ass live shrimp, no go. Cut shrimp, get these little fuckers. Good times. How's the day been going? Well, absolutely freaking jack crap. I just got pooped on. Always fun. And still not a single glorious fish. Good times, good times. Damn. I finally had some action. A little baby cooter chasing my shrimp. And of course I don't get it on camera. And of course I don't catch it. Quatch it. Can't even speak anymore. What do we call it? We call this good times, baby. Finally got something good, boys. Hopefully. Oh man. They look good. Come on, man. What the fuck is this? Little grouper, I think. Oh, first decent fish of the day. And it's the smallest little grouper ever. Nice little, what's that, gag? Black grouper? I have no idea. Need him for your aquarium, let me know. Good times. Hey, so if any of you guys, hold on. If any of you guys want some aquarium fish, I got you, man. I'll give you good price. Good price. Don't even need to bargain. That's how good they are. If you try to bargain, I might fight you actually. Because the prices are going to be amazing. Huge.
Teeth up, watch my face. Throw my clothes on, start my day.